1 month ago, I made a huge breakthrough in my trading and I went from 2 strategies up to 50 potential strategies. And I am trading these strategies on a Darwinex account. However, managing the Darwinex risk engine is a little bit tricky, because between your account and the Darwinex account is the Darwinex risk engine, which changes all the time. The multiplier that gets copied from your account to your Darwin index will adapt and change as your trading style changes over time. Hi friends, if we haven't met, I am Lisa Forex, a data scientist turned algorithmic trader. In Darwinex, in the bottom left, select this icon here, and then you can see the multiplier that has been applied to your account over the past few months. This function was always available in Darwinex 0, but wasn't available in Darwinex Classic until 2 months ago. So now, finally, I can see my multiplier in Darwinex Classic. So you can see here in my dashboard, I currently have 2 open trades, both of which are 0.01, which is the smallest lot size, but because the multiplier is 0.38, Darwinex is trading at smaller than 0.01 lots. How are they trading with less than 0.01 lots? I don't know. That's their problem. All I care about is the multiplier. Because when you go from trading 2 strategies to 20 strategies, your risk profile is very, very different. And I don't want Darwinex to have such huge swings in my equity, which is why I'm monitoring the multiplier so carefully. And I'm planning my transition from 2 to 20 very carefully. So if you look at the documentation online, the magic number is 45 days. So that's how long it takes for Darwinex to adapt to your new trading style. This isn't much of a problem when you're trading on Darwinex 0 because you have 100k to play with, so you're probably trading with much bigger lot sizes. But here I am trading on Darwinex Classic. And on Darwinex Classic, I am trading with my own money where there are absolutely no subscription, no fees at all. But it is a rather small account with just $1,000 in there, which is why I'm trading with the smallest lot size of 0.01. So the plan was over a 45-day period, I would start at 2 strategies, and every week I would add more and more strategies, slowly building up to my 20 strategy portfolio. It has been about 30 days, and currently I am sitting at about 9 strategies running on this account. The first month's results using the latest version of my workflow was okay. I made 0.71% on this account slowly and gradually. But what I really wanted to pay attention to is the risk multiplier. And here I'm showing my dashboard showing the last 3 months of my multiplier, and it has been fairly steady at 0.37%, which is good. So even though I have scaled up from 2 to 9 strategies, it has been fairly stable. But there has been a slight hiccup in the plan. So originally I wanted to scale up to a 20 strategy portfolio, but recently I did a deep dive into the comparison between EA Studio performance and MetaTrader performance, and a lot of my strategies failed this test because I found there was huge differences between the equity curves in EA Studio and the equity curve reported by MetaTrader, which means it's going to take me a lot longer than I anticipated to build up to a portfolio of 20 strategies, but that is okay. I still have a handful that are promising. Unfortunately, there is a huge difference in the profitability of each strategy. So if you look at this particular strategy, which is the Canadian Japanese yen pair, you can see the average loss here is $20, whereas in my gold strategy, the average loss here is $130. $20 versus $130, both trading at 0.1 lots is a pretty big difference. Since I'm already trading at the smallest lot size of 0.01, I can't go any lower. The only option is to go higher. So my new plan is to throw out the old plan and then change it up. So any strategies that are very, very low in average win, average loss, I'm going to increase the lot size so I can slowly, after a while, bring in the gold strategy where I will be trading at the smallest lot size. So that's what I'm going to do this month. I'm going to take the handful of strategies that I have, increase their lot size to 0.02, but not gold. I won't be trading gold yet for at least another month. Here is a summary of all the things I've learned and how you can apply these to your own Darwinex account. First of all, if you're trading with Darwinex, Classic and you're trading with your own money, try to avoid trading at 0.01 lot size. Try to start off, if you can, trade on much bigger lot sizes so you can adjust different risks depending on your strategy. The next tip applies to both Darwinex Classic and Darwinex Zero. If you want to change your trading style, then do it slowly over at least a 45-day period. If you're a trader and want to sign up to Darwinex Zero, I have a discount below for you when you sign up. Now, in this video, I mentioned the performance between EA Studio and MetaTrader, and the results were not good. If you want to hear more about that test and the results, then watch this video right here. Thanks. Bye.